verse 26 says, ponder the path of thy feet and let all thy ways be established. Tinan mo yung lakad mo. Isipin mo, yung lakad mo araw-araw ay lakad ng matuwid. Tinan mo yung lakad mo. At tinan mo lahat ang ginagawa mo sa araw-araw. All thy ways. All thy ways. Let that be established by the word of God. All thy ways. Turn not to the right hand, nor to the left. Remove thy foot from evil. When you make a decision to follow God, when you make a decision to do the Lord's will, God does not want you to be disturbed by what is happening on your left and on your right. Just go straight.